Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to leverage Zoho Project for diversity and inclusion initiatives for 2025. Our first step is to set up a new project in Zoho. To do this, navigate to the New Project button, give your project a name that reflects your diversity and inclusion initiative, and invite your team members. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved can contribute and collaborate effectively. Once you've established your project, it's time to create tasks. This is where you can assign specific diversity and inclusion goals to different team members. This helps us because it keeps everyone accountable and ensures all aspects of the initiative are covered. Next up, you'll want to utilize Zoho's custom fields. These allow you to track data relevant to your diversity and inclusion goals. For example, you could create fields for diversity training completion or inclusion surveys sent. The reason these are important is that they allow you to measure progress and ensure you're meeting your targets. Now that we've done that, it's crucial to use Zoho's forums and chat features. These tools foster open communication and collaboration, which are key to successful diversity and inclusion efforts. Let me explain why this matters. Open dialogue encourages understanding and empathy, enhancing the overall effectiveness of your initiative. Finally, make sure to use Zoho's Reports feature. This tool will summarize your progress and highlight areas for improvement. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Reports function analyzes the data from your tasks and custom fields, providing a clear picture of your initiative's impact. So, there you have it. By using Zoho Project's features strategically, you can effectively drive your diversity and inclusion initiatives. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, tracking progress, promoting open communication, and continuously analyzing your performance. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you implement these strategies for a more diverse and inclusive workplace.